in this Laxis review, I'm going to be telling you everything you need to know about Laxis. Laxis is a software that allows you to transcribe your meetings and extract key insights with the AI meeting assistant. Now, once you make it to the main page here, you'll be given examples of interviews to be transcribed for you so you can utilize the software and have it work to your favor. Now, what Laxis is allowing you to really do is to record yourself in a Zoom meeting, an interview, or conversation and transcribe everything you and all your other members have said. Now, we can do that on our own, and we will do that on our own eventually, but it's actually benefited you and has given you examples of this sort of interview style and the transcripts being created from them just for you to see. We have bank interview right here. So we'll click on this and we'll let it load up. Here you can see now, this is what the banker has said.
Thank you for participating in our interview for Laxis. My name is Chirin, and I'll be your interviewer today. And our goals is to get insights from potential users of Laxis to improve our product a little bit.
So that's her talking right there. And essentially, you can see, okay, we have, so hey, I thank you for participating in our interview for Laxis. It's very accurate, I would say, to what she said. Although she's speaking quite clearly, it's very accurate to what she's saying. So we can see here, again, little bits are highlighted. You have the response of the interviewee. You have the interview again, and it's just the interview that's been transcribed for you. And this is really useful just to have to show us everything that Laxis can do with recordings. So again, auto scrolling, you can have that done for you or not. And it's actually timed the length of the interview as well. So you can see right here, 12 minutes, 14 seconds. And you've got a memo again with a background template for it. And we'll get into all this, the templates and what they mean essentially. So we'll go back and do our own and go to memo templates. So a template is essentially the kind of recording you're going to be doing. And what would happen is you can create a template here, tools, and you click on that template. You can add a topic for your template. So we're going to be talking about, it's going to be an audio review. So you create a reviews. Now, this tool, this topic, reviews, when you record yourself, you're going to record it under the heading of reviews and going to create keywords. Now you can have 5 keywords separated. So you can enter a phrase that you want it to only transcribe when you say. So, again, very easy. Just put review here. Of course we just had reviews, we're going to put review here because it's just easy to get a point across. So anytime you bring up review, it'll transcribe that. So what will happen, we go to conversations, again you can see, or you can go to home as well, but any of them work. So again, record, and see, now you have the templates to choose from. And you can look at tools right here, and you click to proceed with that. Allow to use a microphone, of course. And hello, this is a review for Opulent Tools. I'm going to be reviewing Laxis, the software. So we stopped it. Again, we're done. And again, it didn't get Laxis because I guess Laxis isn't a general common word in the English language, but it saw it as Laxis. But nonetheless, it got what I was saying for the most part. Again, this part I would only just ignore because I was sort of mumbling my way through recording it, sort of waiting for it. So I didn't say he's my friend, of course, but from the hello, this is a review, that pretty much got it started. So again, topic reviews here, you can add a new topic here if you want to as well. And essentially, you have recorded this. You can auto scroll if you want to. So now, we go on this. We went to our conversations. We click on what we just recorded with tools. And we can see right here, this is a review I'm doing for open tools, and it's marked what we wanted, the review, essentially. And when reviewing the Laxis software, it's taking that as the memo, so that, you know, again, reviewing, we mentioned reviewing, it's taking that in, and it's highlighted that, essentially. So pretty easy. It's talking time as well, 16 seconds, naturally. And again, you can scroll through, just brush through, you know, each word you say. If you want to get rid of a certain word, if you want to speed things up, you can go back 5 seconds, 4 seconds, and naturally play the audio I was recording. So yeah, and it's a pretty clear audio as well. Again, it will naturally depend on the mic you're using as well, of course, but the audio is pretty clear, and yeah, it does the job quite well. Can change template again, naturally, if you want to. And just to make it just a bit more clear, you can also paste the Zoom meeting URL as well. You paste that in there and you naturally join. There's nothing there, so it's not going to go. But you can do that rather than just recording yourself. And you can upload any audio files you have as well and just get it into there. And you can get to an audio recording in many different ways, as you can see here. So you can go into insights as well and just look at the topics. Again, you know, we have the UX interview. Again, the user workflow, the keywords, which have been working, the topics here, essentially, we have 7 in the user workflow. Again, you know, we've put in the notes and the topics they're talking about throughout the interview right here. So some nice insights, essentially, just to, you know, the analytics of everything you're doing. Again, we've got 2 review points as well. So we said review twice, picked up on that keyword. And naturally, again, you know, no keyword was really picked up on this, essentially, except for the user workflow. But yes, so this is where our keywords are matched, and we can download them, of course. And we have the other ones here they created, but it's all the same thing in the end. Then naturally, you have your settings, your profile, again, you know, open tools, your email, your password, occupation, city, country. You can upload your image onto this as well if you want to. You know, you just click on that. And you put a logo photo right here. Again, the logo is a bit too big, but it's nice just to show that you can do that essentially and post it onto it. And with the profile settings here, you can change it and update it, and that will happen. You have some apps as well that you can connect to, so you can connect your Google Meet through the Chrome extension right here, and then WebEx and Microsoft Teams as well as your Google Calendar and Outlook. Then you can do a referral here, enter referral's email address, I will copy the link to get some rewards. And then if you're stuck at anything, you have this tutorial section here as well. You watch the video and they'll essentially tell you how to utilize the software if you have any pressing issues and things you just don't quite understand yet. Once you go back home, you'll see your recent meetings, any upcoming meetings. That's where your Google Calendar comes into play. So if you connect your Google Calendar to your upcoming meetings, it will show it for you and it will be prepared to record it for you. And then you have meeting types as well, UX interview tools, so the different types of meetings you're recording and engaging in. And essentially, that is all Laxis has to offer you. Overall, I think Laxis is really easy to use. The audio transcription tool is very handy, very helpful, and for the most part, they accurately get down everything you are saying in those recordings. And I think it's quite useful to use for meetings if you're trying to record important information or learn about your skills in any interview situations you've been in and just help you improve upon communication. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, leave a comment below and I'll leave that discounted link. Thank you for your time.